Okay, welcome to Amber classes. Today I will discuss some questions of alcohol. Today I decided that first of all I will made you clear some IUPAC name of the alcohols, cyclohexanol, etc. So very first question is over here on the board, on whiteboard. This is the sixth carbon closed chain compound, and it has a CH2OH. So simply we know that this is the cyclohexane, and on cyclohexane there is a CH2OH. So simply this is a cyclohexyl methanol. So the IUPAC name of this compound is cyclohexanyl hexanyl cyclohexyl methanol. Now another compound is um, phenol. On phenol on this phenol or ortho position there is a methyl functional group. So this is a 2-methyl phenol. This is the 2-methyl phenol. I decided that first of all I will give the name of the compound, and then I will rough, and for I will make the space for these lower answer. So this one is a phenol. On this phenol at 2 position, 4 position and 6 position, 3 nitro function group are attached. So this is a 2, 4, 6, 3 nitro trinitrophenol. This is the 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Now another compound is 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. Another compound, question number 5. This is the first of all let's see how many carbon atoms are in a main chain of this organic compound. 1, 2 and 3. On second carbon one phenyl is attached, another hydroxyl functional group is attached. So this is known as 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. Now another is 5 carbon protein compound, that is a cyclopentene. So 2-methyl cyclopentanol. Another compound, seventh one compound is that. First of all we have to count number of give the number of this carbon, like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So on 3 and 4, 3 and on second and third we are observing 2 Br group, and on third we are observing 1 methyl group. So this is known as a 2, 3 dibromo 3 methyl but-1-ol, because on first carbon there is a hydroxyl group. So the IUPAC, let me repeat again, 1, 2, 3 dibromo 3 methyl 2, 3 dibromo 3 methyl butane 1-ol. Another compound is over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon compound. This is the unsaturated alcohol. Okay, so this unsaturated alcohol is known as a but 3-ene 2-ol. But 3-ene 2-ol. Now we have to move on ninth number compound. We are observing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon chain, open chain. On third carbon phenyl is attached, while as well as same on third carbon hydroxyl functional group is attached. So this one is a 3-phenyl pent 3-ol. Now we have to move over here. We will numbering of this compound from here 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. So on second position as well as on third position. On second position hydroxyl functional group is attached, alcohol is attached. On third position methyl is attached. So this is the 3-methyl pent 2-ol 3-ol. Let me finish, let me clear this one all. Let's start. We have to move on these conversions. First conversion is that how will you convert propane 1-ol into propane 2-ol. For that, first of all we have to write down propane 1-ol. We have to write down this one is a propane 1-ol, and this is for propane 1-ol dehydrated by concentrated sulfuric acid CONCH2SO4 we got dehydration. Dehydration takes place. After dehydration, we got propene, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. We have to take another, take again this compound CH3, CH double bond, CH2, and react with HBr. This is the addition reaction, and it is followed by uh, Markovnikov rule. Okay, so on according to Markovnikov rule, we observing that CHBr and CH3. Again, we have to take this compound and react with CH3, CH, CH3, Br with help of one base CKOH, aqueous solution of KOH, and we got isopropanol. CS. So this is the isopropanol or propane 2-ol. So you understand this one answer of this question? Then okay. Then we have to move on. How will you convert methyl alcohol into ethyl alcohol? For that, first of all, let me rough this one and then. Now we have to move on. How will you convert methyl alcohol into a ethyl alcohol? So the chemical formula of methyl alcohol is CH3OH. Okay, first of all we have to react this compound with HCN, become a methyl cyanide. Okay, again take this compound and H2 also formed. Okay, CH3CN. Okay, react with 4H. It means reduction takes place. Reduction. After reduction, we got CH3, CH2, NH2 primary amine. Okay, this primary amine react with nitrous acid, and we get CH2 and H2 react with HNO2. Okay, and we get a CH3, CH2 or OH. We got a ethyl alcohol. So simply we can say that one carbon convert into two carbon compound, and we got some another thing like N2. Okay, N2 also we got. So S2 also we found. Okay, so let me count total number of hydrogen. 5 hydrogen, 7 hydrogen, 8 hydrogen. Okay, 5 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen, and 8 hydrogen. Now this chemical reaction is balanced. Now we have to move on third question. How will you convert ethyl alcohol into isopropyl alcohol? First of all, we have to convert ethyl alcohol into acetaldehyde. This is the ethyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, OH, and this is oxidized by KMnO4, convert into CH3, CHO. So this is the acetaldehyde. We have to react this acetaldehyde with Grignard reagent, CH3MgBr. We got addition product like CH3, CH3, H, O, MgBr. When this addition product boil, and we got a isopropyl alcohol. We got a isopropyl alcohol like this. HOH boil or got CH3, CH, OH, CS, and other product or reagent MgOH, Br. Okay, now we have to move on another question. कर दिया another question. This is the fourth question. This is the ethyl alcohol is heated on concentrated sulfuric acid at 173 degrees Celsius. So simply we can say that this is dehydrating. This is the dehydration. We are taking that. We are seeing that dehydration is taking place in this reaction, like CH3CH2OH, concentrate H2SO4. Okay, at 170 degrees Celsius, we got CH2 double bond CS2 as well as water. Okay, and again we found this concentrated sulfuric acid in the solution. So this is the dehydration of a ethyl alcohol. Now we have to move on another question, that is known as isopropyl alcohol react on copper. So this is a very simple reaction. In this reaction we got ketone. So this is the CH3CHOH. CH3 react on red hot copper at 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, we got ketone CH3 C double bond O single bond CH3. Okay, so this is this type of compound, and we got a C double bond O. Okay, so another question is that formaldehyde is treated with methyl magnesium bromide. What happened? We got ethyl alcohol. This is the formaldehyde. Chemical formula of formaldehyde is that at COH react with CS3 MgBr. This is the Grignard reagent. We got addition product OMgBr and CH3. This is the H, and this addition product when boiled in presence of acid, we got CH3CH2OH plus MgOHBr formed. So we solve the first part of this question, like IUPAC, and some questions like 6 questions. We will meet in next video for answer of remaining questions. For that, just wait for next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.